Ever hit record or go live and realize your audio's completely vanished in OBS? Let's fix that right now. First, on your Windows desktop, right-click the speaker icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings, then scroll down to App Volume and Device Preferences here. Make sure OBS Studio has its output device set to default or your primary playback device, and its input device matches your microphone. Now, within OBS, locate your audio mixer panel. Look for the individual audio sources like desktop audio, micro, or specific game audio inputs. Ensure their volume sliders are not all the way down and that they are not muted. If a speaker icon next to the slider is crossed out, click it to unmute. Next, click the gear icon within the audio mixer for any problematic source and select Advanced Audio Properties for each source. Check the audio monitoring dropdown if you want to hear it while recording or streaming. Set it to monitor off if you're hearing an echo or double audio. Check if anything is set to monitor and output. If a specific game or application isn't capturing audio, go to your Sources panel, right-click your Audio Input Capture or Application Audio Output Capture source, and select Properties here. Confirm that the correct device or application is selected from the drop-down menu. Sometimes Windows updates can change default settings. Finally, try restarting OBS Studio completely. A fresh restart can often clear up minor glitches. If after all these steps, you're still facing issues, consider checking your audio drivers for updates. Don't let bad audio ruin your content. Smash that like button and subscribe for more OBS tips.